If you are rocking multiple computers on your desk, like a Mac for editing and a PC for gaming, you know the absolute pain of cluttering your workspace with 2 different keyboards. What if you could control up to 3 devices seamlessly, customize over 20 keys, and get a premium typing experience, all from one sleek slab of aluminum? Welcome back to Geek New Zealand. Today, we are unboxing the HP 975 dual-mode wireless keyboard to see if it is the ultimate productivity tool for your desk setup. Let's get into it. Starting with the box, HP is leaning heavily into sustainability here. This is 100% recyclable, paper-based packaging. No single-use plastics in sight. Sliding the top off, the first thing you encounter is the keyboard itself. Lifting it out, the build quality hits you instantly. At nearly 650 grams, it has a serious, premium heft that ensures it won't slide around your desk. Digging deeper into the tray, you get the essential accessories. There is the ultra-compact 2.4 GHz nano receiver for low-latency wireless. Next up is a 1.2-meter USB-C charging cable, a handy cable management clip to keep things tidy, and your standard quick start documentation. It's clean, minimal, and gets straight to the point. Now, let's talk features, starting with that dual-mode name. This keyboard connects to 3 devices simultaneously. You get 2 channels for Bluetooth 5.0 and 1 channel for the USB dongle. Switching between your desktop, laptop, or even a tablet is as simple as tapping a dedicated hardware key. Plus, if you are on Windows, it supports Microsoft Swift Pair, meaning it connects almost instantly right out of the box. Where the 975 really starts to show off is its smart backlighting. It features built-in proximity sensors. The moment your hands approach the deck, the white LED backlighting fades up, walk away, and it shuts off to conserve power. There is also an ambient light sensor that automatically adjusts the key brightness depending on how bright your room is. Powering everything is a massive 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. HP claims this can last up to 6 months on a single charge. But here is a quick reviewer's caveat for you. That 6-month metric is with the backlighting turned off. If you run the LEDs constantly, expect to plug it into that USB-C cable significantly more often. So what's the verdict? If you want a full-sized, ultra-premium, quiet keyboard that completely cleans up a multi-device workspace, the HP 975 is a phenomenal contender. But what do you think? Drop a comment below if this is the upgrade your desk setup needs. If you enjoyed this unboxing, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we will catch you in the next video, right here on Geek New Zealand. See ya!